What did you name it?
His name is Fred.
Fred. I like your human teeth. They're so cute.
Thank you.
Thank you. What you gonna make us? Thank you.
He looks like he's about to sneeze.
Is he?
He's still sneezing to this day.
Oh, I need some Mucinex.
Yeah.
Look at his teeth, Claire. Do you love them?
Looks like he brushed them with butter.
I know a lot of people like that. Oh, I'm sorry, Fred. You have such terrible code. Code.
Stuck in a forever
Look at these
hole.
teeth. Check them out, Fred. You don't mind, do you? Oh, it's all right. All right, look. They're like real teeth. How did they do that?
I hope that's plastic.
Yes. Oh, God. I gotta go. He